Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna look at the Ferrari 488 Pista made by Bburago in the 1/24 scale. As Bburago used us, we only have the doors opening, but on this model we have also the direction that works. It's quite a nice model. It stands out from the others. I like very much the paint scheme. Also have a bit of carbon fiber pattern around here in the interior. So let's take a closer look. The wheels should be carbon fiber, so they should have the carbon fiber pattern, but sadly they are only a black plastic. We have in the front the headlights are quite okay for this scale, but there's no perforated gap here, so we should lead this way. We have some carbon fiber pattern around the front splitter. Also this side skirt has a bit of carbon fiber pattern. In the back also we have a few gaps that are missing. Also we have the carbon fiber pattern around the diffuser and spoiler as well. We have the Ferrari logo on the engine also here that is painted. The stop lights look quite decent for this scale. Okay, let's have a look in the interior. Sadly no side windows for this model. So in the interior we have some carbon fiber patterns around the center console. Yes, the seats are very nicely done. No carpet or this kind of thing on this scale, sadly. But overall, quite a nice model to have if you're collecting Ferraris or 1/24 scale models. So you have the bridge at center console on Ferrari that is carbon fiber pattern. Hope you enjoyed this model. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.